Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this episode, I'm gonna walk you through the steps on how you can disable Instagram account. So then to disable your Instagram account, it's a very simple process. All you have to do is make sure that your account is up to date and that you're connected to an internet service. Now then, to begin with, first of all, open up or log in into your Instagram account. And after you're logged into your account, tap on the profile icon from the bottom right hand side corner, and here you need to go ahead and tap on the try bar icon. After you've done that, you need to scroll down a bit and go to account center. After you've done that, you need to go to the account center, and here you need to go to profile. So after you go to the account center, here you need to scroll down a bit and go to personal details. As you've done that, you need to go to account ownership and control, and from here you need to select deactivate or deletion. Once you've selected deactivation or deletion, select the particular account. If you have multiple, then you need to go ahead and select what you actually want to do it. Since you want to disable your account, which means you have to deactivate first of all, so go ahead and tap on deactivate and click on the continue button. So basically it's going to be deactivated for 30 days, but after 30 days your account will be permanently deleted. So make sure that you log in within the 13 days, and for the verification of your identity you need to go ahead and enter in your password. So enter in the password and your account has been successfully disabled. So that's basically how you can disable your Instagram account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.